Inspections here to perform. Hello, this is Seth Lewis from Lantern Home Inspections here to perform a sewer line camera inspection on property 1266 Woodland Avenue, Woodburn, Oregon 97071. Current time is 12:49 p.m. on December 3rd, 2018. The house is facing west. There's the west street there. Your front entry here. And right in front of the house here, we have a 3-inch ABS cleanout. This is where I'll be accessing the line for inspection. I have identified a manhole on the street, on the west street. That is the indication that the city main is on that street and that this is going towards that area. So I'm going to put the head of my camera downstream. So you see water running from the kitchen sink downstream towards the main. I'm going to zero out my foot counter here and begin the scope. Immediately at about At about 3 feet, we transition now from ABS to 30-34. Well, so immediately at about 5 feet, it looks like we might have a separation here in the line. You see there's mud coming up through there. It doesn't look like sealant, that actually is mud, it looks like. So at 5 feet, that does fail the line. Lease definitely needs to be reevaluated by somebody who repairs. It's not obstructing the flow path. There's no obstructions in the way. And it doesn't look like it's being moved at all, but again, any kind of separations in the line would be something that would definitely have to be addressed. And then at 66 feet, it looks like we're about to well, yep, at 69 feet, we're underwater for some reason. I'm not quite sure what. Looks like there's some I can't really see what's going on there, but kind of broke through here. So it's at a turn here. There's something catching at this turn here. I'm going to go turn the water off really quick. Actually, first I'm just going to get to the end of the line. More standing water. These are what you call bellies in the line. I have a piece of debris that's stuck itself on. So there's quite a few bellies in the line. Try to get to the like some kind of material or something. Try to push this out. hopefully soon we'll get to the so it looked like there was a cloth in the actual part of it, but this is the main. I'm going to go ahead and pull back my line from here. See how clear it is on the way back here. So you see my camera's actually dislodged a lot of the what was in that line actually so here's that turn where there was all the debris. So I'm going to have to pause the video for a moment. Okay, I'm back. So I felt like something was hitting my hitting the head of my camera. That is a very large offset in the line, and I'm about to assume once I locate this area that this might have to do with some of the shifting of the concrete walkway, but I'm going to see if I can identify this area. I'm going to pause and locate. I'm back just for a minute just to show you a clearer shot of what I'm talking about here. That is an obvious offset that is actually retaining debris and blocking, creating some standing water. Okay, I've located this section and marked it out in white. It's actually in some brushes, and so it's kind of difficult to mark with the identification, but you can use this video as a reference. At 67 feet off to your southwest side of the house. It kind of turns in that way. But I have marked it at 67 feet in white paint for anybody who's going to come and look at this. So I'm going to pull back the line from here again, because there's another offset here close to the So right there at 5 feet, I'm going to mark this area too. Okay, I'm back. I've marked this area as well. Very close to the So this does conclude the sewer line camera inspection for this property. As you saw with me going to and from the city main, there are two sections that have failed the line today. One at 67 or 68 feet, which I've marked, and one at 5 feet. So they're both offsets in the line. One has a definite hole in it that's allowing mud to get through. And before, when I was doing the scope, there was debris buildup and a lot of standing water. So this is definitely an issue that will fail the line at this time. I will have a written report in this video upload for you and your relative to view. Thank you for choosing Lantern Inspections.